Hi everyone, welcome to JVN testing tutorials. Today in this class we will see about cybersecurity introduction, means complete roadmap, syllabus of cybersecurity course. Okay, now let's see what are the topics or syllabus to be covered in this cybersecurity course. See here, complete roadmap syllabus and introduction. First we need to go with this introduction to ethical hacking. See here, introduction to hacking. So in this ethical hacking we need to cover these definitions of the ethical hacking, what is the purpose of using this ethical hacking, types of hackers, and legal and ethical considerations. So these are the topics to be covered in this introduction to ethical hacking. This is the first concept. After this first concept we are moving into the networking basics concepts. So what are the different types of networks, what are the different protocols we have, like a TCP IC and OSI model, subnetting, DNS, DHCP. So these are the topics to be covered in the networking basics concepts. So after this networking basic concept we are moving into the operating systems. So in the operating system we have a different operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac OS, command line basis. So these are the different operating systems and concepts we need to see in these concepts, like operating systems concepts. So after this operating system concept we are moving into fundamental cybersecurity encryptions. Okay, cybersecurity fundamental encryption. So what is this? And related to firewalls, antivirus, IDS and IPS, and antivirus concepts. Okay, so these are the concepts we need to cover in this cybersecurity fundamentals. So after these fundamentals we are moving into the programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Bash scripting, SQL, C, C++, Ruby, Java. These are the some of the programming languages need to be covered in this cybersecurity. No need to worry about this all. Only little part of the programming language we need to cover in the cybersecurity course. Okay, next, scanning and enumeration. So in this scanning, port scanning, we have a port scanning, service enumeration, and vulnerable scanning also will be there. So these are the concepts to be covered in this scanning and enumeration. Next, exploitations, common vulnerable and exploits, metasploits frameworks. This is a framework. Metasploit cybersecurity framework is a metasploits frameworks and buffer overflow. So these are the concepts to be covered in this topic. Next, web application security. So some of the security web applications we need to use. So those are OWA SP top pen and SQL injection, cross-site scripting. We can call it as a XSS, cross-site scripting. So these are the security web application we need to use in the cybersecurity course. Next, wireless network hacking. Some of the wireless network hacking are like Wi-Fi security, WPA, WPA2, WEP, and wireless attacks will be done. So these are the concepts to be covered in this wireless network hacking concept. Next concept is social engineering. In the social engineering, like phishing, spears phishing, and social engineering toolkit, that is SET. SET means social engineering toolkit. So these are the topics to be covered in this social engineering concept. After this we are going to sniffing and spoofing. So man in the middle of attacks, ARP spoofing, and DNS spoofing. So these are the concept to be covered in this concept. And next concept is malware analysis. So what is this malware analysis? Types of malwares we have, sandbox analysis we have, signature based and behavior based detections we have. So these are the concepts to be covered in the malware analysis concepts. Next, incidents response and handling. So some of the incident response process will be there, and digital forensics will be there, and chain of the custody will be there. So these are the concepts to be covered in this incidents response and handling concept. Next, penetration testing. So what is this penetration testing? Types of penetration testing, methodologies. So what are the methodologies we have in the penetration testing, and how to report this penetration testing reporting, creation of the penetration testing reporting. So all the concepts will be covered in the penetration testing. Next, cryptography. So symmetric and asymmetric encryption and hashing algorithms, digital signatures. So these are the concepts to be covered in cryptography concept. So after that we are going into mobile hacking like Android and iOS security for the hacking purpose and mobile application security. So some of the hackers will be there. So to avoid that hackers, we need to use some securities like iOS and an Android security, mobile application security applications will be there. Those we need to follow. So these topics will be covered in this mobile hacking concept. After that, cloud security concept will be there. So AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud will be there, like a security based practices will be there. So these are the concepts, these are the tools, cloud security tools will be covered in this cloud security concept. Next, IoT security. So these are the Internet of Things risk security of iOS devices. So a lot of will be there. So these are the concepts will be covered in this. Next, legal and complaints. So some of the legal and complaints acts will be there, like see here, Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, and GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS. So these are the some of the act for the legal and complaints will be there. So those also will be covered in the cyber security course. Next, cybersecurity tools. So some of the tools is there like Nmap, Wiretrack, Brip Street and Snort, Nessus and Aircrack NG. So these are the some of the tools and some of the lot of tools also there. So those also will covered in this cybersecurity course. Okay. Next, we are helping for the career path and certifications also, like CA certification will be there, like certified ethical hacker and offensive security certified professional, like OSCP, CISSP. So these are the certifications will be there. So that also I will help you after the course completion. So how to certify, how to get this certified, those also I will help you. So this is about this complete roadmap of syllabus of the cyber security. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.